Well, everybody, welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, today we're going to talk about a few things about Manchester United, Manchester United's fans base, and the reaction to the loss to Sevilla the other day. But first, let us all pray and cry for Arsenal fans, because even though the Thursday result with Manchester United was so bad and so horrible, it was hard going to sleep Thursday night. But then Friday night, after Manchester United fans sit down and watch how Arsenal just capitulate and dash for the league, it was a great night. So let's all lift our hats up and wave to Arsenal fans. You guys are shit. Arsenal fans, you are shit. And when Man City jump past you at the top of the league and go on to win the league this year, remember me tell you, you will never hear the end of it. I put all my money pound, every single cent I put on Arsenal to win the damn league. So that Man City don't have a three-peat. So that Man City don't worry about the trouble. But you man just sell it. That's the way. Go on, take it. So I'm going to take my time in every single video I make from now till the next season. Matter of fact, till ever. From now until ever. To remind you guys that you are perennial, utter battlers, fam. Pussies. Fucking pussies. Anyway. Welcome everybody. Let's make sure you drop a like on video. Subscribe right down there for brand new. It's very easy, very cheap to do it. Just go there, hit find the subscribe button, boop. Don't cost anything. It doesn't cost anything, fam. Very cheap. I check on it this morning. I'm gonna check on it again later. It's very free, very cheap. Just hit the subscribe button. Manchester United will play Brighton tomorrow in the second semi-final of the FA Cup. It's going to be a tough game. One, because we're dead in injuries in the back. Varane is out. Martinez is out. Luke Shaw is just coming back into the team. Maguire is banned, not playing. I don't fucking know. I don't care about Maguire anymore anyway. So we're dreaded in terms of defensive talent in the back. But I think we can pull something off. We haven't beaten them since last year. So I literally mean since last year. They beat us twice last year. They beat us first round in this season. So we need to get a victory from Brighton this year. We need to get a victory from Brighton this year. So let's go out there tomorrow and beat the shit out of these pussies. Let's go out there tomorrow and beat the shit out of these guys, fam. Let's go. Let's fucking go, fam. Listen, Manchester United fans, you guys are some, I don't even know, fam. Every time Manchester United lose, you guys come up with the same set of players for drop on the falls and just start sing on them every game, every day. Content creators, YouTubers, Twitter fingers. You man are just sickening, fam. Ease up off of Jadon Sancho. Get up off of Jadon Sancho. The entire team was shit. The entire team was shit. Let me remind you, the entire team was shit. I call out Harry Maguire, I call out David De Gea because they were obviously shit. But the entire team was shit. The only person who wasn't shit that game against Sevilla was Bruno Fernandes. And you know why? Because Bruno Fernandes never did it. Everybody else was shit. So do me a favor. Leave Jadon Sancho. Leave Anthony. Leave Anthony Martial. Leave Harry Maguire. Let this man play for Harry. Make the man them play. At the end of the season, we'll see what happens after that. But you have to give this man an opportunity to play. You can talk about the game, you can talk about the results, but come on, man. Get off of the man them name, Parry. Get off of the man them bumbuckler name. Get off of the man them name. Boy, I'm tell you. Bumbuckler. You man, fam. You fucking man. Disgusting. Absolutely, utterly disgusting, fam. Alright. Remember, tomorrow, 11:30, Manchester United versus Brighton. Done at Wembley. It's going to be bad, fam. Semi-finals. Lose and you're out, fam. Let's go. Let's fucking go. People bless yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.